Pixel 9 Pro XL is just a bigger Pixel 9 Pro, but that's good enough. It doesn't have exclusive camera features or extra RAM for a boost. It is just got a bigger display and a bigger battery. That means the Pixel 9 Pro is an even better pick this year. But it also means that you can choose your phone based on the size you like, not the features you need. The Google Pixel 9 Pro XL is available for pre-order now for $1,099 and it will be on shelves August 22, the same day as the Pixel 9. Google is holding the Pixel 9 Pro and Pixel 9 Fold a bit longer until September 4, so if you want a new Pixel as soon as possible, the XL is the best phone you can choose. The Google Pixel 9 Pro XL is 99% the same phone as the Google Pixel 9 Pro. If you think that makes sense, you haven't been following the world of smartphones because phone makers like Apple and Samsung always save one or two special tricks for the biggest phones they make. If you want the best cameras or all of the hidden feature, you must buy the biggest phones. Not so with the Pixel 9 Pro XL. Every feature that you will find on the Pixel 9 Pro XL is also available on the smaller Pixel 9 Pro, even the 5x zoom camera. The Pixel 9 Pro XL has two distinct hardware advantages over Pixel 9, but neither of them are completely clear and both are related to the larger size. It's still early days for both of Google's new Pixel 9 Pros. Phablet fans can get their hands on the Pixel 9 Pro XL on August 2022. While anyone obsessed with smaller devices will need to wait for the Pixel 9 Pro on September 4th. Overall, I walked away from both devices feeling a renewed sense of excitement towards Pixel that I am not sure I have felt since the Pixel 6 series. But on the other hand, I wouldn't blame anyone for waiting for a more revolutionary chipset, especially considering the rumors for next year's Pixel 10. But if Google has nailed the basics here, solid performance, good battery life and relatively cool thermals, we could be looking at the best Android experience you can buy today, now available in two different sizes.